Hello, today we are going to be making this little pop-up vehicle. So what we're going to do first is we're going to fold along these dotted lines. We're going to fold them all backwards. You can do so by hand, or you can use a ruler if that is easier for you. You just want to make sure to have a hard crease. Now that we've got everything folded, I recommend using one of these little glue tapes or a glue stick. And you're just going to put some glue on all of the tabs here. And then from there, you're just going to fold everything up. I recommend folding the back piece first. So we're going to tab that in here. And then fold in these little tabs. Okay. Then we're going to take this piece, put this tab in first behind here, and then fold these tabs down. Then the windshield tab goes inside. And then this tab goes also inside. And then your last two tabs. And then once the glue is dried, you're just going to put the wheels on, like here and here, and you are good to go. Once you're done, your vehicle will look like so. It can be helpful sometimes to kind of press in on these tabs while they're drying just to make sure that they're stuck on well.